I'm in Boston, Massachusetts at the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys National Convention, and I'm here with Jonathan. Jonathan, introduce us. Tell us where you're from.
Sure. I'm Jonathan Arias. I'm from Queens, New York. This is my first NACBA conference, and I'm happy to be here. I'm meeting great folks, and I'm glad I came over to speak to you.
Yeah, so I would like to know, what is it about being a bankruptcy lawyer? Why are you a bankruptcy lawyer? Why are you drawn to this profession?
So I began my career as a public defender, criminal defense attorney, and in that capacity, I truly saw the economic troubles and financial perils that many individuals, I would say a large share of the population, deals with. And so that led me down the path of studying our economy and just wide-scale economic issues on a grander scale. And then that naturally led me to bankruptcy. And not only that, but after that study phase, I began to learn about the traditions of debt jubilees and debt amnesties that have occurred since time immemorial. And so that gave me a deeper understanding of the current levels of debt and wealth and income inequality that we have here in the United States and other parts of the world. And that also naturally led me to learn more about bankruptcy. And since I already practiced law, I picked up a law school textbook, started reading it, got hooked at the moment, and then decided to start practicing bankruptcy and consumer law.
I love that. And I can say that welcome to your very first National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys National Convention, NACBA. Welcome to your first NACBA convention. My first one was only 3 years ago. I never really leaned into this side of my practice all that much. I really understood how important it was. But once I started coming to the NACBA conventions, I started to realize how many other lawyers felt the way I felt. And they're here, they're right here. And I practice bankruptcy law because it fills my soul, because we're doing good work and we're providing a solution for people who didn't even understand that the solution was available. And so it's my experience that people who come into this space tend to have the kind of heart and soul that cares about what's happening. And so I kind of see that in you, Jonathan. Obviously, you are made of that mold, and another example of why it's so great to be a member of NACBA. NACBA member from Queens, New York, Jonathan Arias. If you would like to get hooked up with them, welcome. And it's so great to meet you.
Thank you for having me.
Take
Thanks
care.
for having me on your show. Thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
Take care.
Yeah.